Hello, brothers and sisters. In this photo, you can see Comet Leonard. This is a snapshot from November 25, 2021. From December 1st to December 13, it will be visible in the morning and evening. The minimum approach to Earth at a distance of about 34 million kilometers will occur on December 12, 2021. At this point, it will reach its maximum brilliance for us. If you can see it, write your impressions in the comments to this video. It will be interesting to me since I am unlikely to succeed because of cloudy weather. So we already know that this comet will explode. But for what reason? The first and simplest version is that around December 18, 2021, the comet will crash into Venus. But if we rely on official data, the comet will pass from it at a distance of 4 million kilometers. So I discard this version. The second version is that approaching the Sun, the comet will begin to heat up and collapse. But as you saw from my another video, the comet must definitely crash into something, and only then an explosion will occur. So this version does not fit either. What remains? The third unexpected version. Let me remind you that I have already shown you that the explosion of a comet in iPad God occurs right before the birth of Mercury at the end of October 2022, around the 25th, and right before the explosion of Hawaii. Let's see where the comet should be on this day. So this is October 25th, 2022. You can see the Jupiter and its orbit. As you can see, the comet crosses our solar system for the second time to fly away. But you can say, there is nothing here. What will she crash into? Please wait, it's not that simple. On this picture, you can see the main belt of asteroids and Trojans. The asteroids on the orbit of Jupiter. So theoretically, a comet can crash into one of these asteroids. And what will happen next? Something like this. Such a gigantic explosion should be visible on Earth as well. By the way, do you remember this Google Doodle December 31, 2019? And here is Comet Leonard, which, as I said, was discovered only at the beginning of 2021. And here is her explosion in the constellation of Scorpio around October 25, 2022. After the explosion, parts of the comet and meteorites will fly with insane speed in all directions, including toward the Earth. About the fall of such a meteorite to Earth, as well as flooding due to it, is frankly shown in this video by Katy. And imagine that at this short period when humanity will be able to observe the comet with the naked eye, on December 8, 2021, the world premiere of the film Don't Look Up will take place. What is this movie about? After learning that a giant meteorite will fall to Earth in 6 months, two scientists go on a press tour in the hope of warning the world about the danger, but they are met with destruct everywhere. Wow, what a coincidence. In fact, of course not. This is another non-accidental warning about the upcoming apocalyptic events. Pay special attention to the slogan of the film. The short trailer of the film has a duration of 119. Ariana Grande takes part in the film, who has already been used, as you remember, together with Lady Gaga in warning about the tsunami attack on California and New York. As you know from my past videos, after the comet explosion, Hawaii will explode, which will cause a tsunami that will hit California. And then part of the meteorite or comet will collapse into the Atlantic Ocean, which again will cause a tsunami and destroy New York. Well, brothers and sisters, there is less than a year left. Get ready. Think also about saving your soul. We are all sinners, but the Lord will forgive those who ask Him for forgiveness. God bless you.